Hello everyone, this is Joe from Lendesk for Finmo. Today we're discussing third-party ID verification tools in Finmo. Let's jump into a deal and check it out. And check out how you can use our third-party ID verification partner, Persona, to help you with this task. So let's go to our deal screen. And I'm going to go to Mr. Thompson's deal here. When you click on the name, you get taken to the client section. And here you're going to be able to see that he's not verified. So you've determined that you want to use our third-party tool, Persona, to verify his ID. So you can click on Verify Identity. It takes you to the risk assessment, fraud and risk assessment section of the mortgage application, where you can now request ID verification. So let's go ahead and request it. Finmo asks you to confirm his email. If good to go, request ID verification. That's been sent out to your client. And if you need to, you can always resend that request through to the client again. But let's check out on the consumer side what that looks like from the email. All right, here's the email that John has received. So the message will be, you've received a request to complete your ID verification. And now he can click on this and he'll be taken through to Persona software where he can complete the ID verification task. Of course, it'll look different and it works well on a mobile device. But let's go ahead and begin verifying. So, do you consent to the following? So your client will acknowledge this and continue. And then your client's going to confirm whether they're from Canada or what country they're from, and they select. Now, they choose their driver's license or whatever piece of ID that they want to use to confirm their identification. And then they take a photo of this ID and upload the photo and carry on. Once this ID check has been done by Persona in the background, you will receive an email back from Persona and Finmo letting you know that this has been completed. Within the deal, you will be able to see a badge appear beside John's name that he is verified, if it's good. You will be able to get a copy of the ID verification in the document section. So ID verification will be added here. You will have to go in and look at it and accept it, and you can have a copy of it there to download as well. But that's it. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.